Hello friends, welcome to brand new tutorial of Learn Code with Sankalp. In today's tutorial, we have discussed about how to integrate MongoDB in our Spring Boot application. In many international clients using MongoDB, so we can familiar with MongoDB. So watch this video till end so we can understand the basic concept of how to integrate MongoDB in our Spring Boot application. This is very easy steps, guys. You have to follow one by one steps, then you have to definitely integrate our Spring Boot application to MongoDB. So if you have new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so you have updated our technical videos, guys. MongoDB is basically NoSQL database, guys. Inside MongoDB, data is saved in the form of NoSQL format. So firstly, we have download the MongoDB server and Compass tool. Then we have to integrate our Spring Boot application. So firstly, we have giving in our this official MongoDB website, guys. Inside MongoDB website, we have to inside here this we have to select the package, and after selecting the package, the version is 7.0.5 and the platform is automatically it will detected our Windows version, platform and package and like this. This package we have implementing the MongoDB server and Compass tool also. You have to download this. After downloading, I have already downloaded that, guys. I have already downloaded and installed that software. The installation is very easy, guys. No need to any complex logic in that. So I have already downloaded that. So I am opening that. This is our MongoDB tool, guys. And here you can opening the MongoDB tool, and we have connected to the localhost 27017. This is the default port, guys. Then here we can create one schema. For that we have creating like schema like this here. Here you can creating schema like employee management system. Employee management. Okay. Okay. And collection name like same like our database name. Okay. Then here you can create our schema. Okay, this is our schema is created, guys. Then here we can create our Spring Boot application to connect to our database. Okay, then our Eclipse idea is opening, guys. Then here we can create one new project, and we have creating new project like Spring Starter project. Inside Spring Starter project we have giving name like Spring Boot MongoDB integration. Okay, then here you can give the package name like learn code with sankalp.mongo integration. Okay, then our artifact will same like our name, and description is also same like name, and group ID is same like our package name. Okay. Then we have creating the Maven project and jar in Java version is 70. After that we have changed this. Okay, then we have click next, and we have here we can create add one dependency. Firstly we have add the Spring Web dependency. Okay, Spring Web dependency is needed, guys. And before we have adding the MySQL's driver dependency, but now we have connecting the MongoDB. Then we have to import the MongoDB dependency. MongoDB. Okay, MongoDB. This is reactive programming. MongoDB is also present, guys. If you have using the reactive programming, then you have to implement this dependency. Okay, and then two dependencies enough, guys. Then we have to click on next, and we have create our project. So our project is creating, guys. See, guys, our project is creating. Okay, our project is created, guys. Then we have to some minor change in our pom.xml file, guys. We have opening our pom.xml file, guys. Okay, then we have to downgrade our Spring Boot version. We have using Spring Boot version 2.6.2. okay, then we have using Java version. In our system Java version is installed Java 1.8. then we have using Java 1.8. okay, these two things is different, guys. Then all things is same, guys. Then we have to integrate some properties for our database configuration. So we have opening our application properties file, guys. And inside application properties file, we have configured some properties. Properties like spring dot data dot mongodb dot host. Okay, then like local host. Okay, then second property we have to need like spring dot data dot mongodb dot port. Okay, here which port we have giving? Here we can give this our MongoDB port. This is our port, guys. Then we have to copy pasting this port. Okay, then secondly we have giving the schema name. Then we have giving like spring dot data dot mongodb dot database. Okay, and here we can give our schema name. What is your schema? Our schema name. This is our schema name. Okay, then here we can copy our schema name and pasting here. This is our schema name, guys, and here we can paste this. Okay, these only three configuration, guys. No need to any configuration. I have created I have not implementing username and password, so we have not implementing the username and password. If you have secure database, then you have to implement the username and password, guys. Then we have create our package structure, guys. Firstly, we have create package for our entity. Okay, then package like entity dot entity. Okay, entity package. Then we have create our package like dot repository. Okay, repository package is needed, guys. Then third package is a controller package. We have not implementing service layer. We have directly integrating controller layer to repository layer. So this third package is service. No, controller. Okay, three packages in them, guys. Then we have refreshing this. Okay, so our three packages created, guys. Firstly, we have create one entity. Okay, then entity package we have create one class like employee class. Okay, inside employee class we have giving the annotation like before we have using MySQL, then we have giving the annotation like entity, but here we can give the annotation like document. And here you can give the document name like collection like employee. Okay, then here we can give the fields. So we can give them a field like private int id, and here we can give the annotation like for primary key id annotation. Okay, this is annotation is important, guys. Then we have to giving annotation like private string first name, private string last name, private string email, and private double. Okay, for 5 fields we have added, guys. Then we have to create getter setter methods and toString method, guys. We have creating getter setter and we have creating toString, guys. Then we have create our repository layer, guys. Then here we can give the repository layer like this. Employee repository. We have created interface, guys, not class. We have creating interface like AMP employee. Okay, we have created employee repository, guys. Then we have to here we have extend our MongoDB repository. Extends. Firstly, we have before that we have using MySQL database. Then we have implementing the extending the JP repository. Okay, then here we can extend the MongoDB repository. Okay, and here we can give the our entity class name, and here we can give the our primary key data type. Okay, it is enough, guys. Then we have to create our controller layer. Then we have creating controller like class like employee. Okay, we have created controller, guys. Then here we can give the we have returning the JSON data. Then we have giving the REST controller annotation, and after that we have creating firstly injecting our repository layer. So we have auto wire employee repository, emp repo. Okay, then we have to give in like public string add employee. Okay, we have adding the employee. Then firstly we have giving the annotation like here we can give the class level annotation like @request mapping like employee service we have using, and here we can give the annotation like @get mapping, and we have giving like add employee. Okay, we have creating the employee class. Then here we can giving the employee here we can give the request body, and we have getting one employee from the our fronted or our postman. So here we can give the employee creating employee object which we have getting from the postman emp. Okay, then we have to save this. Then firstly we have save the employee repo dot save, and here we can give the employee. Okay, and then here we return the employee saved with id. We have returning the id. Okay, then we have returning the emp dot get id. emp dot get id. Okay, this is all, guys. Our add employee method is created, guys. Then we have to implement our get employee methods. Okay, get all employee methods. Then we have to use the public list of employee, returning the list of employee. We have using get all employee method. Okay, then we have here we can no need to pass any argument. Then we have to getting the employee from the DB. So firstly here we can employee repo dot find all, default method, guys. No need to create any methods, guys. Then we have to return the employee list. Okay, then we have returning this same return emp list. Okay, guys, this is no need to write any query or anything. We have custom query, then we have to write. Then here we can here some mistake we have getting the post mapping. Okay, then here we can give the get mapping. Okay, get mapping, and here we can give the our get all emp. Okay, the second endpoint is also created, guys. Then we have to import this post mapping. Okay, then third endpoint we have getting the employee by id. Then we have to using like public why is typo is making public optional. We have using the optional keyword employee and get employee by id. Okay, guys, then we have to getting the employee by id, and we have to util package implementing implement package, and here we can getting the employee. Here what is the issue? This method is not in employee. Okay, get id is here, but here what is the issue? Get method. Okay guys, we have not saved the employee class because this error is coming. Now it is solved guys. Then we have to, here we can getting the employee by ID. Okay, then here we can give the annotation like @get mapping, and here we can give the get emp by ID, and here we can give the curly brace, and here we can give the ID. Okay, and here we can give the annotation like @path variable. Okay, and here we can give the int ID. Okay, int ID, and here you can pass the ID here. Okay, then here we can give the employee repo dot find by ID, and here you can pass the ID, and here you can getting one employee. Okay, and here you can return the employee. Okay, here you can getting the ID by employee. Okay, then fourth endpoint like delete mapping. Okay, then we have to delete mapping, and we have to delete employee. Okay, then we have to giving like public string delete employee, and here also we have giving the path variable and int ID, which ID we have getting from deleted, and employee report dot delete, and here you can pass the delete by ID. Okay, delete by ID, delete by. Okay, here we can give the employee ID. Okay, then here we have given the employee ID. Okay, then we have returning the return deleted by with ID and okay, our endpoint is created guys. All code is okay guys. Then we have to run this code and test our application guys. So firstly we have running this code, close all these things, saving all these properties, and we have running our application guys. So we have running as debugging mode, so if any error come we have to debug that. So we have debugging as Spring Boot application. Okay, then our application is running guys. See, the application is compiling successfully and our application is running. Okay, our application is running on port 8080. Okay guys. Okay, then we have to test our application, test our endpoints. Then we have here we can opening our postman, and inside postman we have creating one new request. Okay, then here we can give the request like http localhost 8080 / we have giving employee our controller. Firstly we have giving the class mapping. Okay, then we have giving the method level mapping. Okay, then here method is post. We have post the data inside our raw JSON. We have posting the JSON data. Then here we can give the employee methods. Okay, then we have to giving like method like we have giving like ID is 1. Okay, then first name first name like John. Okay, last name like Sina, and email like John at hhnjohn@learncodewith sankalp.com. Okay, then we have to add our salary, John salary. salary. Okay, salary is 45,354.50. Okay, we have salary in double, no need to pass in string. Okay, then that's all guys. We have to pass this inside our application and see what's happening. Okay, we have passed this. See guys, our employee will saved successfully. So we can verify in our database. So here we can verify. Okay, here employee variable is created. Then here you can see that guys, our data is created guys. In this data is simple format guys. If we have JSON, then we have to use this JSON. Okay, this is JSON data. If we have in table, we have using the table data. Okay, then we have to inserting two more employees. Then in the, our employee name like Dinesh Dubey, email ID like Dinesh, and salary is 85,449. Okay, salary, Dinesh is also saved guys. Then we have to add another employee like Rahul Mishra, and salary is 70,000. Okay, this is also we have saving this. Okay, we have added 3 employee guys. We have verified our database. See guys, 3 employees there. We have in JSON format, we have 3 employees. In table format, inside table format, we have 3 employees. Okay, then we have to test second employee, second API. We have duplicate this, and here we can checking like this. We have getting all employee or not inside our for our API. Okay, then we have to copy the get all employees table, and we have getting this all employees. Okay, see guys, our 3 employees is coming guys. Then we have getting one by ID. Okay, then we have copy pasting duplicate this tab, and we have getting the employee of the employee by ID, and we have getting employee number 3. Okay, then we have checking the who we are getting the data or not. Okay, 3 employees coming. If we are giving the 1 employee, then first employee will be coming guys. See guys, first employee is coming. Then we have to test our 4th endpoint like delete employee. So here we can give the delete employee. Here one mistake guys, we have not giving here the ID. Okay, then we have written our application. We have giving the employee like the employee ID. Okay, then we have delete the employee of number. Firstly verify in the database we have employee or not. Okay, we have 3 employee. Then we have to delete the 3rd employee or 2 employee. Second employee we have to delete. Then we have giving the delete employee like 2, and here we can give the delete employee mapping. Okay, then our application is running or not. Okay, our application is running. Then we have to pass the 2 employee. Okay, we can see that the employee is deleted guys. Then we have getting the employee, only 2 employees getting. Okay, 1 and 2, and inside the DB we can verify that 2 employees is deleted guys. We will press this. Okay, 2 employees deleted guys. Okay, that's all guys. We have integrated our Spring Boot application to our MongoDB server and MongoDB server guys, database server. Okay guys, I hope you have understand this concept of how to integrate our Spring Boot application to our MongoDB. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and press bell icon guys. Okay guys, thank you, bye.